In this lecture, you will learn how to change to a new responsive theme in your WordPress website. First of all, have a preview of how our website looks in this official 2016 theme by WordPress. By default, this 2016 theme from WordPress is a responsive theme. But this theme cannot satisfy the needs and looks of everyone. So, at some point of time, you may wish to change to another responsive theme. In this lecture, you will learn how to do that exactly. Go to Appearance and choose Themes. Now click Add New. WordPress will display a list of themes from its repository. Now we need a responsive theme, right? So let's filter this list with the themes which are responsive only. Go to this feature filter and then select responsive layout. Then click apply filters. All the themes that are appearing now are responsive in nature. I have chosen this scripted theme and installed it already. But to make you understand, let me install another theme. Let's try this Olsen Light theme. Before installing, you can click this Details and Preview to have a full screen preview of this theme. This is how this responsive theme will look like. I am going to resize the browser window now, and let's see how this responsive theme reacts to the resize of the browser. This theme is extremely responsive, isn't it? I think there is no display less than this width, so this website will be visible and legible in almost all the devices. That's why this is responsive, right? So, if you like this theme, and let's assume that you like this theme, then you can go ahead and click the install button. Now, before configuring, you can have a live preview of the theme. This is how the website will look after activating it, but you could observe that Google Fonts hasn't got loaded. This is because of the optimization settings. I will tell you how to deal with this. That is why I am walking you through the theme installation process. First, click Save and Activate. Everything is well and good except for the Google Fonts. This is how the single post page looks. So let's deal with this Google font issue. Go to Settings and then Auto Optimize. Then uncheck Remove Google Fonts. Now click Save Changes and Empty Cache. Now let's refresh this page. Well, you can see the difference, isn't it? Google Fonts has got loaded. But in the Pagespeed section, I have enabled this Remove Google Fonts. For that, we have done a workaround. So let's see what you can do to check Remove Google Fonts. Right click on the theme or on homepage or on any post and then select View Page Source, or you can simply press Ctrl U on your keyboard. Once you have opened this View Source Code, search for fonts.google and then select this entire URL. Then view this URL by right click and go to this URL, or you can copy this and paste it in a new tab. I have opened this URL here, and there is another font that this theme uses, so open that also. Now you have got two CSS codes. Select the first one, then copy, and then go to Tools, above the fold, then replace this inline CSS with the one you have copied now. Then come to the second font, copy it, and then paste it here. Now click Save, then go to Settings, Auto Optimize, and then check Remove Google Fonts. Then click Save Changes and Empty Cache. Let's refresh this page. Now we have checked this Remove Google Fonts checkbox in Auto Optimize, and also the Google Fonts are getting loaded. So your page speed score will be back, and also your new responsive theme is up. In the next lecture, you will learn how font size acts as a search engine ranking factor in Google search results.